In the crystal-clear waters of the Pacific Ocean, just off the coast of Yonaguni Island, lies one of the greatest enigmas of the ancient world. Colossal stone blocks, sculpted terraces, staircases that seem to lead to another era. Is this a natural formation, or the submerged memory of a lost civilization? Today, we dive deep into the secrets of Yonaguni's underwater ruins to uncover what truly lies beneath the waves. This is Travel in History, where every mystery has a story and every story hides a deeper secret. Join us as we explore strange facts, dark legends, and the questions no one dares to ask. If you're curious, brave, and love a good mystery, you're in the right place. Subscribe and let the journey begin. Yonaguni is the westernmost of Japan's Ryukyu Islands, located just 120 kilometers from Taiwan. For centuries, this remote corner of the ocean has been a place of passage and legend. In 1986, local diver Kihachiro Aratake was exploring the area's waters when he first spotted enormous stone steps carved into the rock. He returned multiple times to document the find. Soon, scholars from all over the world became fascinated by this mysterious site. The submerged structures span roughly 300 meters in length and 150 meters in width, with the deepest point lying 27 meters below sea level. The most striking feature is the so-called Yonaguni Pyramid, a massive stepped monument about 20 meters high, with terraces over 2 meters wide, large platforms resembling ceremonial plazas, long corridors, and individual stone blocks that appear to have been deliberately shaped. Some divers have even reported what looks like a carved face in the rock and geometric markings, though these remain controversial. Yonaguni is made up of dense sandstone and shale, rocks known to naturally fracture into sharp, squared shapes. However, many researchers and enthusiasts argue that this explanation doesn't account for all the details. Too many straight lines, perfect angles, and smooth surfaces seem almost intentionally carved. The archaeological hypothesis. One of the strongest proponents of an artificial origin is Professor Masaki Kimura, a geologist at the University of the Ryukyus, who has studied the site for over 20 years. Kimura claims that certain blocks appear to have been precisely cut, with perfect corners and straight edges. Some areas resemble roads and plazas, while others show features reminiscent of retaining walls, staircases, and ceremonial platforms. His research suggests that Yonaguni could date back over 10,000 years, to a time when sea levels were much lower. If this were confirmed, it would mean that humans were capable of monumental construction long before the first known civilizations. Divers have documented circular holes and depressions that look like anchor points for columns or beams, isolated boulders placed as if intentionally arranged like markers or milestones, structures resembling access stairs and observation platforms, and faint markings resembling ancient paintings or carvings worn away by time. Some independent archaeologists suggest these could be remnants of temples or ceremonial centers belonging to a forgotten maritime culture, possibly older than the Egyptian pyramids. For many alternative researchers, Yonaguni is tied to ancient legends. Some believe it to be a surviving fragment of the mythical continent of Mu, an advanced land said to have sunk beneath the Pacific Ocean. Others suggest a possible connection with ancient astronomy, as certain alignments appear oriented toward cardinal points. Some even argue that it could be an ancient city, proof of a highly advanced civilization erased from history. Despite decades of research, no definitive evidence has been found to determine Yonaguni's true origin. Both scientific and tourist dives continue year after year, attracting explorers and scholars from around the globe. For now, this submerged pyramid remains suspended between legend and reality, between history and myth, a riddle that challenges our understanding of humanity's distant past. If you know more or have theories, let us know in the comments. We read them all. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more mysteries like this one.